SPADE is a visualization and clustering tool available in FCS Express. SPADE accomplishes two main goals. It clusters data into groups based on their location in multidimensional space, and it reduces the dimensionality of the clusters for visualization purposes. To access SPADE, select the Tools tab on the ribbon, then select Transformations. From the Transformations window, select SPADE in the drop-down menu. The SPADE interface is used to create and edit the settings for the SPADE transformation. To create a SPADE transformation, select the template file, select the gate of interest, select the parameters to include in the transformation. Note that for each parameter, you have the option to set the scale or have the software select the scale automatically. Next, specify the options to use for the density-dependent downsampling. By default, the downsampling method is target density, although other sampling methods are available. You can either specify the density percentiles or specify the sample size. If you specify the sample size, the density percentiles will be automatically calculated by the software. In this example, we will use the specify density percentiles option. Finally, we can specify the options that will be used to perform the k-means clustering. This includes the number of clusters, which in this example will be 50, the maximum number of iterations, and the minimum percent of cells per cluster. To access the results of your SPADE transformation in FCS Express, you will need to insert a plate heat map. When inserting a plate heat map, if no multi-well data are available, the software will prompt you with a message. This message indicates the SPADE transformation has not yet been applied to the plate heat map. Click Continue to acknowledge the message. To apply the SPADE transformation to your heat map, drag and drop the transformation from the Transformations window onto the empty heat map. With SPADE, each node is colored based on a statistic which is reported on the y-axis. You can edit the parameter and the statistic reported on the y-axis by clicking on the y-axis to change the parameter, or by right-clicking on the heat map and selecting Format. Then, from the Overlays menu, you can change both the parameter and the statistic. In this example, you can see 4 red nodes that differ in their PE-7 expression as compared to the rest of the nodes on the plot. We can create well gates on the heat map to further explore these nodes. To create a well gate, select the Gating tab from the ribbon. Then select the Well Gate button. Draw a gate around the nodes of interest. Next, set the options for your gate, such as the gate color, and whether to emphasize events on the plot. Then click OK. While the Editing New Well Gate dialog is open, you can add or remove additional nodes by clicking on them and holding down Control to add or remove the nodes. Press Close when you are done. To show the well gates that you have created, right-click on the heat map, select Show Gates, then click on the gate of interest. To visualize your well gates on a standard plot through backgating, apply the SPADE transformation to a color dot plot. You can also retrieve statistics for the well gates by right-clicking on the plot and selecting Statistics, Gate Statistics. To learn more about SPADE, visit our website at denovosoftware.com or refer to our manual, short video guides, and recorded webinars.